When you're looking to buy your very own aquaponics system, there are a few components that are essential to any type of aquaponics system for sale. A complete aquaponics system for sale should have the following components included in the purchase. The fish tank itself for the fish. The grow beds for the plants that you're going to be growing your produce in. The actual frame itself to support the whole system. And the water pump with the hoses and the things that come with getting the water from the fish tank to the grow beds.